Good day to all super momshies in the world, including the young and beautiful ladies. Welcome back to Expat Journey TV. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe and press the notification bell for more new videos updates. Super momshies, today we're going to create another beautiful flowers out of plastic bottles. So if you are ready, we're going to start now. Super momshies, these are the main materials needed. So we're going to cut this bottom part. And of course, we will not use acrylic colors, but we're going to use this nail polish. So this is the old green plant that I have that I wanted to innovate to put a flower out of these plastic bottles. So these are the parts that we need to create a beautiful flower. So we will cut the same all together. It looks like this. Will be look like this after cutting, and the other part will be like this. So we're going to cut another, this one. All right. This is how it looks like. We have to cut all around to make it like this. So this is how it looks like. Now we're going to use this to color these plastic bottles. before we end up this video, I would like to shout out to all the subscribers and non-subscribers and the silent viewers. If you did not yet subscribe, please subscribe now and press the notification bell for more new videos updates. Until next time, babushi!